In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. This is perfect for moments when you're revamping your pages, preparing for a big launch, or simply needing a clean way to pause public access while you work behind the scenes. The great news is that Wix makes this quick, reversible, and safe for your existing content. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your site's command center. It's where you manage everything related to your website, from design and content to settings and launch controls. Once you're in the dashboard, you're in the right place to turn maintenance mode on without touching your actual pages or risking any of your work. Next, select your site, then click Settings and choose Site Status. The settings area is designed to hold all the high-level controls that affect how the public experiences your site, and site status is where you control whether your website is available to visitors. You're not changing designs or deleting anything here. You're simply telling Wix how to present your site to the outside world while you continue editing. Now, toggle site under construction or maintenance mode on. As soon as you do, Wix will hide your live pages from the public and display a simple under construction or maintenance message instead. Your site content stays intact, your editor remains fully accessible, and you can keep working privately until you're ready to show everything again. This is a much safer option than unpublishing the site because it preserves your structure and settings while giving visitors a clear professional notice. A few helpful things to keep in mind: while this mode is on, people who visit your domain won't see your normal pages, so it's a good idea to communicate expected timelines or updates through your other channels. Your links and pages aren't gone, they're just temporarily shielded. You can continue editing, organizing content, and checking your design within the editor without worrying about visitors seeing work in progress. When you're ready to go live again, simply return to the same site status area and turn the toggle off. Your site will immediately be available to the public with all your updates in place. That's all it takes. Open your Wix dashboard, select your site, and head to Settings, then Site Status, and switch on under construction or maintenance mode. It's fast, it's reversible, and it keeps your site looking professional while you do the important work behind the scenes.